Welcome to my channel, Learn Computer Technology with Naveen. In the previous tutorial video, we learned how to create a web page and use of basic tags. Now we will discuss more tags of HTML. The first tag is p tag or the paragraph tag. When you use this tag, the block of text usually starts on a new line as a new paragraph. It is not compulsory to close this tag. When you use next opening p tag, the previous paragraph ends and adds a blank line and starts a new paragraph. Here I have a document file on desktop. Just double click on it to open. I have some contents. You can see I have 3 paragraphs, one related to internet, second related to intranet, and third related to extranet. I will just copy the first paragraph, that is introduction to internet. Right click, copy, and go to Sublime Editor. Create a new file by right click on HTML folder and select new file option and give the name second.html and save the file. Now write the HTML basic code in body tag. Paste that paragraph by pressing Ctrl V or select Edit Paste option and then choose File menu, Save option to save the file. Go to that HTML folder that was created in previous tutorial on desktop and double click on second.html file to open in browser. Check this out. The paragraph is displayed in the web page. I go back to the Word file, copy the second paragraph, that is introduction to intranet. Right click, copy that and paste it in the Sublime Editor. I give an enter after first paragraph and paste it by pressing Ctrl V or select Edit Paste option. Then save the file, File menu, Save option. Now go to browser. If I refresh, you people might be thinking that the second paragraph is going to be displayed down here in the new line. No, it is not going to be displayed there. Click on refresh button or press F5 shortcut key. When I refresh, what will happen? The second paragraph is just continued with the last paragraph and starts from the same line. It is not moved to the next line while I am giving the blank line in Sublime Editor. Why? HTML ignores all white spaces and enter keys that you have pressed. It is going to collapse all white spaces and enter keys with a single white space. So what we do? We use p tag. It is a pair tag or container tag. There will be opening and closing tag. Before the first paragraph, I am going to write opening p tag, and at the end of first paragraph I am going to write closing p tag. We will say from here to here it is the first paragraph. Same as for the second block of text, I am going to write opening and closing paragraph tag. Now go to the Word file and copy third paragraph, that is Introduction to Extranet. Right click and copy that and go to Sublime Editor and write opening p tag and paste it here and close the p tag. Choose File, Save option to save the file and go to Browser and refresh it. Check this out. All three paragraphs are shown in proper place, or you can say paragraphs shown separately and add a blank line or space after each paragraph. So the p tag automatically adds a blank space or line below the paragraph or above the paragraph. Now it looks good in the web page. Now we are going to understand an attribute related with p tag, that is called align attribute. The attribute is written within opening tag. So I will give a space in p tag and type align and equal to sign and give its value in double quotes. By default, the value of align attribute is left. If you do not use this attribute, then default paragraph is left aligned. So I will type left in their value and then save the file by File, Save option, go to Browser and refresh the web page. You can see that there is no change because default alignment of the paragraph is left aligned. I want to change align the paragraph to the center. And then save the file and go to Browser and refresh. You can see that the first paragraph is aligned in the center of the web page. Similarly, I want to change the align of second paragraph to the right align by type align equal double quotation right and then save the file and go to browser and refresh. You can see that the content of second paragraph is aligned to the right of the browser window. One more value of align is justify that is to be assigned to the third paragraph. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh. Check this out. What will happen here by applying the justify align? It has aligned the left hand side and right hand side of the third paragraph in an equal way. Otherwise, it shows the zigzag to the paragraph in case of left, right or center, as you can see in previous paragraphs. If you want to align the paragraph properly, then you have to use justify align. So I will change the align of first paragraph and second paragraph. Save this file and check this out in browser by refreshing it. You will see all paragraphs are justify aligned. Next is BR tag. That is line break tag. It is so similar to the paragraph tag, but there is a difference. P tag starts a new paragraph and also leaves a blank line below the paragraph, whereas BR tag transfers the text to the next line. This tag is an empty element. That means we do not need the closing tag of that. I will copy some block of text from the Word file right click, copy that and paste it in the HTML file by right click, paste option or press Ctrl V shortcut key. Now save the file by pressing Ctrl S shortcut key or file save option. Now go to the browser and refresh it. What will happen? The block of text shown as continuous in the same line, but I want to show that block as it is, as I can write in HTML editor. So I will write BR tag after each line because I want to break each line. If you want break the line, then it will be continued till the right margin of the browser window and then automatically break the line and text will be shown in the next line. But if you want to break in between the right margin not reached, then you use BR tag. I have to write BR tag after each line. Now save the file, file menu, save option or pressing Ctrl S key. Go to browser and refresh. Observe what the output is displayed there. Each line will be displayed separately. It is the use of BR tag. I think the paragraph and line break tag is clear to you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and comment on this video. Also subscribe to this channel, and to get more videos, click on bell icon.